In this video, we will learn how to get the value against when we have multiple lookup values to be done. Suppose in this scenario, I have to search for invoice number, invoice date and item. I have a three criteria to be searched and then get my desired result. Because in my table, I have this invoice number 190 is coming three times. If I use lookup, VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP, it give me only the first value. Also the invoice date is coming two times, so I have to search where the invoice number is 190, date is 13 March and the item is transportation. So I required this result to be this here. So for this simple way, I have to look these three values and get the desired result. So how will do that by using our XLOOKUP? Just let's begin. So here will be typing XLOOKUP bracket start. So my lookup value, so as I know I have a three lookup values, so I have to combine these all three values. So I will combine these all three by typing AND key. Let's begin. My first value is this, and then connector is and my second is invoice date, and then again I will connect this by AND item. Now I have a lookup value which have a three lookup criteria. So same way lookup array, I have to search these values in this invoice number, invoice date and item and then get invoice amount. So same way, just instead of single selection, because this is an array, I have to first select my invoice number full. Done. I will press F4 so that I will freeze it. Now combining this same way as a single value I have combined with AND, I can also combine array by AND. So B cell is for invoice number. Now I have to select invoice date. I will select my table from starting till the end. Sorry, wait. So starting till the end, F4 to freeze it. Now I have to again combine items. So I will type AND key and then go to the item, combine that, F4 comma. Now my array is the combination of this invoice number, invoice date and item. If you see the colors, they are showing that these all are now combined by AND key. Now my lookup return array is I required invoice amount. So same way, my invoice amount is this return array. Work done. Just press F4 to freeze it. If I just press bracket close and enter, just see the result. I'm getting this for this transportation. Let's check whether it's coming correct or not. If I just change this to onshore, this is being changed to onshore. Oh great. Let's again check if the date or number though both get changed. Will it change to PV? Yes. Now I am able to get one thing is that it's not the up to three combination. You can have multiple combination up to any infinity level if you want. So hope you like this video.